Crash Course on Uruguay, Uruguayan Cuisine. Welcome to a crash course on Uruguay, where we delve into the unique flavors and dishes that make up Uruguayan cuisine. From mouth-watering chivito sandwiches to delectable meats and delightful sweets, Uruguay offers a culinary experience like no other. Join us as we share interesting stories, highlight the top 12 attractions of Uruguayan cuisine, and capture the essence of this country in a captivating poem. Uruguayan cuisine is a reflection of the country's history and cultural influences. With its proximity to Argentina and Brazil, as well as its European heritage, Uruguay has developed a distinct culinary identity. One interesting story is the origin of the chivito sandwich, a beloved national dish. Legend has it that a tourist requested a goat, chivito, sandwich in a restaurant, but since goat was not available, the chef improvised with other ingredients, creating a mouth-watering combination that became an instant hit. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions of Uruguayan cuisine. 1. Asado. Experience the traditional Uruguayan barbecue, where juicy cuts of beef, pork, and lamb are grilled to perfection over an open fire. 2. Chivito. Indulge in the iconic chivito sandwich, featuring tender beef, ham, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise, all stacked between two fluffy buns. 3. Empanadas. Delight in the savory pastries filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables, often enjoyed as a quick snack or appetizer. 4. Milanesa. Taste the Uruguayan version of the breaded and fried meat cutlet, typically made with beef or chicken and served with mashed potatoes or salad. 5. Dulce de Leche. Savor the sweet caramel spread made from condensed milk, a staple in Uruguayan desserts, pastries, and even as a topping for ice cream. 6. Mate. Engage in the social ritual of drinking mate, a traditional herbal tea shared among friends and family, often accompanied by conversation and bonding. 7. Pascualina. Try the delectable spinach and cheese pie, a classic Uruguayan dish that combines flavorful ingredients in a savory pastry crust. 8. Uruguayan wine. Explore the wine regions of Uruguay, known for producing excellent tannic wines, as well as other varietals like Sauvignon Blanc and Merlot. 9. Medialunas. Indulge in the sweet and flaky croissants that are a staple of Uruguayan breakfasts, often enjoyed with a cup of coffee. 10. Uruguayan cheese. Discover the diverse range of artisanal cheeses produced in Uruguay, including the famous queso colonia, a semi-hard cheese with a unique flavor. 11. Alfajores. Treat yourself to these delicious sandwich cookies filled with dulce de leche, often coated with chocolate or powdered sugar. 12. Tarta de frutillas. Delight in the refreshing strawberry tart, a popular dessert during the summer months when strawberries are in season. In summary, Uruguayan cuisine is a blend of flavors, traditions, and stories that reflect the country's cultural heritage. From the sizzling asado to the sweet indulgence of dulce de leche, every bite tells a tale of Uruguay's culinary richness. And now, a poem inspired by the flavors and spirit of Uruguay. In the land of sun-kissed plains and rolling hills, Uruguay's cuisine, a treasure that thrills. From sizzling grills to savory delights, Uruguayan flavors, endless appetites. The chivito sandwich, a legend reborn. A fusion of flavors, a sandwich adorned. Empanadas, a bite-sized delight, filled with memories and flavors so bright. Asado's aroma fills the air. Meat grilled to perfection, beyond compare. Dulce de leche, a sweet symphony. Caramel whispers, pure ecstasy. Mate, a shared ritual, hearts intertwined. Conversations flowing, connections bind. Milanesa, a crispy, breaded creation. A taste of Uruguayan dedication. From the vineyards to the pastry shops, Uruguay's culinary heritage never stops. Each dish, a story, a moment in time. Savoring the flavors, a journey sublime. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.